These are all custom closets.
All right.
And then sliding door into the bathroom.
So this is the unit that I will be
Yep,
using.
this is the actual unit.
Okay. Okay.
Then kitchen and living area is in here. Appliances are all Maytag. They're all Energy Star. There are LED lights underneath all of the cabinets, and then these are LED as well. There is a garbage disposal in the sink, and that is a pull-down faucet.
Okay.
There are shades in the windows. They're 5% open, so that even when you put them down, you can still see out, but people can't see in.
Okay.
And the windows do open.
Okay. Okay. They pop out. Okay. Yeah, it looks like I guess it's a really secure area because we have police there, right?
Yeah, police station's right across the street.
That's what I got. Like, that's a good.
Police station's right across the street, and there's a lot of things down here that you can walk to. There's restaurants, bars, the stadium's right there.
Yeah.
So there's plenty of things that you can do if the museum.
Something more interesting to say. So I think I saw this video and I think it was pretty cool to show you guys. So let's see here a guy who got 2 beers. One beer he will do it incorrectly, so the way that you serve the beer. So he got the glass and he gives an angle. He just started pouring the beer. What happened is that all the gas is enclosed in the beer because you are just pouring the beer with the angle in the glass, but you are not opening the beer. That's what he's saying. So this is pretty much what everybody does. I do it, so I didn't know. Now I try to eat something which I really like to do in a pub. So get some French fries inside, boom. You get a pretty bad reaction, right? And sometimes you feel bloated, and I was like, okay, what's going on? You know. Now, in the second way, you do it correctly. So you pour the beer, give some angle, start good, but then you need to lift the bottle. So you are opening the beer, you're liberating the CO2, it's making foam, it's enclosing the flavor. Now you're putting some French fries and voila, you know, you don't have anything to fear about it. You feel good, you keep drinking, you enjoy your time with your friends, and that's the difference between a wrong way to serve and a good way to serve. So that's the link for him. So it's beer cionario, which is Spanish. So.
Vamos suave nomás, menos de 40 millas por hora, con suave nomás, despacito. Los otros carros van soplados, pero yo voy suave.